Today we're diving into the Cigman CM S03, a 3x360 degree 12 line green laser level that stands out with its big color LCD display showing real-time angles, battery, and modes. It's packed with app control, remote, and pro features at a budget-friendly price. Is this the perfect tool for tiling, framing, cabinetry, or full renovations? Let's find out. Stick around for the unboxing, pros and cons, and my final verdict. So right out of the box, you get the CM S03 laser level, 2 rechargeable batteries, looks like 7.4 volts, 2600 milliamp hours, which run up to 7 hours. You got a charging cable, remote control, magnetic mount or rotating stand, target plate, and a solid carrying case. Build quality feels rugged with rubberized grips, IP54 dust and water resistance rated, so it should be able to handle any job site without a problem. This also came with a lanyard in case you want to hang it around your neck. Just kidding about hanging it around your neck, but it does include this lanyard. One of the standout features, that large color LCD screen on the unit itself. It shows battery percentage, current mode, and real-time angle readouts for slope and plumb. Super handy when you're setting drainage slopes or checking verticals. This also displays the brightness level of the laser, and you can also see if the laser is in locked mode or unlocked. If the level is in lock mode, it will display the lock mode on the screen, while also flashing the lasers to let you know it is unlocked. Key specs: 360 degree full plane coverage, 12 bright green lines, which projects 1 continuous horizontal beam and 2 vertical beams, intersecting at 90-degree angles. This single setup tool eliminates the need for manual chalk lines or repositioning, projecting a 360 degree grid across all 4 walls, the floor, and the ceiling. This also has self-leveling with manual tilt mode. Now, if you go over a certain tilt angle, the tool will start to flash the lasers and also on the screen to let you know that, well, your laser cannot self-level at this angle anymore. So just keep that in mind. Another key spec is that the laser's projected line or measurements will deviate by no more than 1.5 millimeters above or below perfectly true, or from the exact distance for every 5 meters of distance. Another spec is the working range of 30 meters or up to 50 meters with receiver in pulse mode. IP54 rating, which means it's dust protected, allowing limited dust entry without damaging it, and splash resistant as well, safe against water splashing from different directions. It is not 100% waterproof, so make sure not to submerge in water. Another spec is the app plus remote control included. The remote control works quite well. You can turn on the horizontal and vertical lines from the remote. You can also dim or brighten the lasers from the remote. And the Bluetooth app lets you control lines and modes from your phone as well, similar to the remote control. Another key spec, rechargeable batteries. Several hours runtime depending on brightness of the lines used, of course, but this can run as long as 7 hours. Plus you have 2 batteries like mentioned, so you can be charging one while using the other. You could either charge them while being inside the laser level, or you can charge them separately by plugging the charger directly to the battery. And the final spec is the 1/4 and 5/8 tripod threads that are included, which will ensure it can fit in different tripods with those measurements. Setup and self-leveling test. The setup is dead simple. Turn it on and the compensator kicks in fast. If it's out of level, it flashes or beeps to warn you. I tested it on an uneven surface, locks onto level quickly and holds solid. Now I like that they use the green beams, since green beams are bright and visible even in moderately lit rooms. They may just be better than red lasers in my opinion. So this laser level can definitely be useful for multiple scenarios. Tiling and flooring, project the perfect grid lines across the floor. The full 360 degrees coverage means no repositioning mid-room. Ceiling and wall framing, ceiling lines are spot on for light and HVAC layout. Slope mode, use the angle readout and manual tilt for a small bathroom slope test. The LCD makes it precise without guessing. Heck, you could even use this to set up picture frames, in case you don't have any other projects going on, of course. So what are some of the pros? The LCD display with angle info. This makes sure you know what angle you're at if you have the lasers locked on or not. And the brightness level of the laser, of course. All this information on the screen makes it easier to work with this level. Another pro is the bright sharp green 360 degree lines with full control. App plus remote plus traditional buttons equals maximum flexibility. Now you also have good accuracy and build for the price. Coming in currently for less than $100 $175. This is what I believe is a fair price for everything included. Now you also have versatile modes, self-level, manual, pulse, strobe. All of these are pros as well. And obviously this comes with useful accessories and the case, which are also considered pros. The case, I will say, feels pretty sturdy and makes carrying it around a lot easier. So what are the cons? Battery life varies with brightness, but regardless, you get 2 batteries, so that kind of makes up for it. The green laser visibility drops in very bright direct sunlight without a receiver. So if you're going to be working in direct sunlight, you may want to get a receiver. But those may not even be cons for some people. The pros definitely outweigh the cons. So the final verdict is the Cigman CM S03 is a featured packed, user-friendly 3D green laser level that delivers pro-level performance without the pro price tag. The LCD screen and control options make jobs faster and more accurate. Highly recommended for tiling, framing, cabinet installs, and general construction, and even for hanging picture frames. If you're upgrading from a basic cross-line laser or want a versatile tool for bigger projects, grab this one. Links in the description below. If you own one of these Cigman laser levels, let us know in the comment section what you think of it. Do you have any regrets getting it, or are you fully satisfied? Let me know in the comment section. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. That is all I have for you today. Thank you for watching and have yourself a great day.